Greetings, parents, alumni, and friends. I hope you're safe wherever you are. I hope you're doing well under the circumstances. And thank you to all of you who reached out to check on us, our students, our faculty, and our staff. We deeply appreciate you checking into us, and I hope you're doing as well. It's been an interesting time, as you know. We had to transition 6,000 classes at Duke and many in Duke Engineering online suddenly at the drop of a hat in 2 weeks. And that's gone surprisingly well in terms of the classes actually being delivered, grading being done, and students taking classes. And students have really stepped up. We had kits for our design classes shipped to each of our students so they could actually do work where they were. We had large files, high resolution microscopy files shipped to them so they could do image processing and other kinds of work. And we had CAD files come back, and we had faculty set up 3D printers in their garages at their homes so their student work could be printed and their students could see actually with video cameras live while their work was being printed. So lots of creative things have happened. And students did some really amazing things for the community. We set up a faculty dream team of sorts to work with Duke Health to meet the demands of Duke Health in terms of what they needed for protective gear, for face masks, for respiratory systems with filtration so intubations could be done more safely. Then all sorts of tents could be done to isolate our COVID patients. And this dream team of design, entrepreneurs, industry experienced faculty worked closely with many of our students who played a role in this project. If they were in Durham, they helped us print, they helped us with design. And so incredible things have happened with the students helping community. So on the research front, we had faculty and have faculty continuing to adapt wearables and smartphones so we can track the spread of the disease. And so we have better data on how the disease is spreading. We have one faculty member who's adapted a kit he developed for Ebola testing to do now testing on the COVID-19 virus. And he received an NSF grant and several industry solicitations to see if we could rapidly scale up this test. I'm so proud of how nimble we were in how we've risen to this challenge. And I can tell you without doubt that this wouldn't be possible but for the flexibility we had in terms of the annual fund to resource the efforts we had in responding to buy kits suddenly to send to our students, to support the people working on the COVID-19 response team, and to also assist our students in the greatest need who were most vulnerable. The annual fund and your support is absolutely critical in doing that. Your impact on Duke Engineering is significant, not just through the annual fund dollars, which is critical for us, but also through the internships you provide, the opportunities for mentoring, the advice you give our students, through the time that you spend with us. In multiple ways, you help and create the Duke of the present and the future. And I'm deeply grateful on behalf of all of Duke Engineering and all of Duke for all that you do for us. So please continue to be well, stay safe, do stay in touch and let us know how you're doing. And thank you for all that you do. Go Duke.